Hey, welcome to Vegas, baby. Okay, so let's get started from day one. So, this is the first place where we visited. If you guys have watched Friends series, then you would definitely remember Ross and Rachel wedding, which was happened in wedding chapel. So, yeah, this is the wedding chapel, guys. Okay, then we visited Hoover Dam. This dam is 1244 feet long and it's used for water supply, agriculture, and irrigation. So this is very interesting, guys. This is called Seven Magic Mountains and it was created few years back. I just love it. And rocks are in different colors. This is just amazing. Day 2. So now we are heading to Arizona to see Grand Canyon National Park. Just look at the view, guys. नाइट में वेगस की बात ही कुछ और है. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल.
So there's no friend I know can smile and say hello. What I say, she's so special.
In Vegas, you will get to see theme-based casino like European, Egyptian, and many more. And my dream come true. This place is replica of Venice, and it reminds me the song "Do labzon ki hai la 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 la." Okay, I'm not a good singer. Day 3. We are on top of the world. From here you can see the grand view of Vegas city. Thank you for watching, guys. Toodles.